Knowing some hair refrigerator troubleshooting techniques can prevent you from experiencing further trouble.
Like any other appliances, there are instances where difficulties may arise.
It is important that you read and understand carefully your hair refrigerator troubleshooting manual.
If your fridge suddenly stops, check that the power is on, and the thermostat adjustment is set right.
If there's power to your appliance, the problem may be on the wiring, defrost timer, compressor, or in the overload.
If you hear water dripping inside your fridge, it may be due to problems in its self-defrosting system.
Clogs or obstructions may cause leakage inside the fridge compartment, which will eventually lead to buildup at the bottom of the unit.
You will know if you have a defective thermostat if it does not cycle off, even if the temperature inside your refrigerator is cold.
Since it cannot be repaired, replace this component. Another cause may be on the refrigerant system, which only a skilled technician can fix.
Another hair refrigerator troubleshooting tip that one should bear in mind is on issues concerning its cooling system.
When faced with this situation, check the compressor. Also determine if the refrigerator has stopped entirely or if the thermostat is in its proper setting.
Adjust the thermostat settings if not set correctly. However, contact the repair technician if your unit is not cooling and produces continuous noise at the same time.
This may indicate an aggravated problem on other components.
Poor cooling scenario can be attributed to buildup on your evaporator coils or a clogged condenser.
A buildup in your hair freezer walls and floor may be a sign of damage in the door gasket or in the self-defrosting system.
To double-check if the problem is on the self-defrosting system, manually defrost the fridge by turning it off and leave the door open for 2 to 3 days.
Make sure that you remove all perishable food to avoid spoilage.
If it cools normally after turning the thermostat back to its setting, then the problem may be on other components.
If your hair refrigerator is creating noise, consider inspecting the fan at the back of the machine. Also check the compressor, the defrost timer, as well as the drain pan.
Problems on ice maker can be solved by scrutinizing first its settings.
Then, inspect the water lines to know if it has a good water flow. Ensure that they are clean and not obstructed.
You can test a good flow by initially removing the water line from your fridge, turn off the water supply valve and submerge the water line in a pail, then turn the valve on again.
Poor flow means you have to change or repair it, while good one requires placement of the water inlet valve.
This simple hair refrigerator troubleshooting guide helps you find a relief in your predicament.
Unfortunately, if you fail to find your concern here, the best option would be to contact an appliance technician nearest you.